हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग के बारे में। व्हाट इज़ आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग और इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्डिंग? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you must remember that ionic bond always form between metal and non-metal atom. Metal atom having tendency to lose the electron because they have more number of electrons than octet. On the other side, non-metal atom having tendency to gain the electron because they have less number of electrons than octet. And due to this electron transfer between metal and non-metal atom, formation of oppositely charged ion takes place. That is, cation and anions are formed, and due to the formation of two oppositely charged ions, a strong interionic force or attraction operating between these ions, and a bond is formed which is known as electrovalent or ionic bond. And it is important to note that during the formation of ionic bond, the amount of energy is released is said to be as lattice energy. It is represented by the symbol capital U. Now the question is, what is lattice energy? It is simply defined as the minimum amount of energy is released during the formation of 1 mole of an ionic crystal by its constituent ion, said to be as lattice energy. In the other side, we can say that the minimum amount of energy is needed to break 1 mole of an ionic crystal into its constituent ion, that is also known as lattice energy. Lattice energy is measured in kilocalorie or in kilojoule. Metal always have tendency to lose the electron because of having extra number of electrons than octet, so it shows the positive valency, and non-metals always having tendency to gain the electron, and it form negative valency or negatively charged ion, which are responsible for the formation of ionic bond.